everyone, this is Ankit and this video is about Feedly, a feed recording app. So Feedly is a feed locating app. That means you can check the feeds of different websites, blogs, YouTube channels, or other places on the web, and it'll integrate everything for you and categorize it for you. Millions of people use this Feedly on a daily basis, like literally on a daily basis. It's on one of those days where you have to just bookmark a page that you like, and that you hope that someday you'll get back to it and be there and check again what's up on that web post. But that never usually happens, sadly. Feedly is powered by RSS. RSS is rich site sum. So because of that feature, you can just enter any URL you want and it'll give you different feeds of what's being updated and to the website that you subscribe to. So if you like a blog or if you want anything, you'll always be up to date on what the content is and who the author was of the content and everything. A single place to connect to your favorite blog, websites, postcard, YouTube channel, and RSS feed. That's how I would define Feedly. It helps you organize everything in different categories. You can follow different people and you can see what they are following and follow the same thing. That's what I do. And you can see the content and you can dig deep on different websites and see what's there, what's out there, what new is going on in different fields. Talking about fields, the full name for Feedly is Feedly, your work newsfeed. So any people from any profession can use Feedly and it'll help them out. So no matter you're a businessman or what business you're doing, you can just categorize everything on that particular topic. So even let's say your profession is cooking, so you can just subscribe to all the cooking channels on YouTube or blog post or any website that you want, and Feedly will organize everything for you, sort everything for you according to the priority on how you want things to be, which is pretty awesome. Feedly is literally heaven for people who love to read online or who spend a lot of time hopping from one website to another looking for good content, because it's a really good integration, because Feedly helps you to integrate all the different websites that you love, and you don't have to bookmark anything. It shows everything to you and it suggests you stuff. It integrates all the social networking platforms that are pretty popular, like Facebook, Twitter, Evernote, LinkedIn, all the common stuff that you might use. So plus it's a web application and a website too. So you can just create an account on feedly.com or by downloading an application, and everything will be there. So if you want to read a content, you can just read it on your phone, and you just like in your car and you're not driving but you're on the other seat of the wheel and you just want to use the time, and instead of scrolling through Facebook newsfeed, you can just scroll through Feedly and you'll get to see all the different stuff, and you can read them if you want later on via your desktop, because your desktop account is connected to your mobile network account, which is always in sync, and Feedly takes care of that. So you can read an account, Feedly will know that you've read this account, read this topic, and via mobile phone or via desktop. And Feedly app is available on Android or iOS or Kindle. So it varies from platform to platform, and all the app you have, if you sign up with one account, it'll always be in sync, which is pretty awesome. So let's get started with Feedly and see how to create an account and what other features are there. So according to Feedly app, it defines itself by three main features that it performs or activities that it performs. Number one is all new search and discovery engine. So it's a really innovative way of linking everything so that user can read different feeds from different websites and places in a mashable format. So second one is productive feed reading. So Feedly have introduced a feature called must read, in which if you do not want to miss any article from a particular blog post or YouTube channel or anything, you can just put it into must read category, and if there is any update or new article on that particular website, it'll always be on your home page until you read it. So that's a really cool feature to not miss anything on your favorite blogs or YouTube channels and always be updated. And the last is fast and easy sharing. It integrates different sharing engines like Google Plus and Facebook and Twitter, so you can easily share cool, interesting articles, and Feedly will put it in well-formatted text for you, and we'll go through all of them together. Hello everyone, this is my Android smartphone, and we'll go through what Feedly does and all its features and applications and how we can use it. So we'll start off by installing the app Feedly. I'll go to Play Store and I'll type Feedly. So it shows up Feedly, your work newsfeed. I've already installed it for our convenience, so I'm gonna open it now. So this is Feedly. This is how it looks like. So it says, welcome to Feedly, a single place to organize, read, and share all content that matters to you and your team. So if I swipe up, you can see here I can either log in via Google account or Facebook account, and if I don't want to keep any personal information, I can just press the search bar. Sorry about that. Press the search bar on the upper right corner, and there comes the search bar. I can search anything I want, and you can see even if I don't, it gives me, it suggests me few things that I might like and that are popular. So right now maybe I'm gonna search YouTube or TED videos. That's even better. TED uploads on YouTube. So see, I'm right now I'm not logged in, so I'm doing this solely as a guest. So if I it'll give me a glimpse of each article on my homepage. So when I searched TED upload on youtube.com, it shows me, you can see there's a big picture and the heading, and then it gives you the name of the publication. So TED is TED is the channel, and 200 is a number of views, and /1 day. So this video was uploaded one day before, and the name of the video. So if I want to watch it, all I have to do is one tap and I'll be here. So I can watch the video inside my Feedly app. So I'm not going to youtube.com right now, and Feedly gives me a platform to watch YouTube videos. I can watch them, and just like YouTube, I can watch them full screen if I want.
This
And
little
now
guy
I'm
right
watching
here
the application
does
full
things
screen,
that
which
essentially
is
just
super cool.
blows
So
my mind. You can grab one of these
I can
animals
follow
and
this
cut them
app, but
into
I'm not
80
logged
different
in, so it'll
fragments,
ask me
and
to
each and
log
every one
in
of
if
those
I want to
fragments
follow
will go on
anything.
to regenerate
So I'll just post this for you, and I can share it on Twitter. If you can see, I can save it on my phone. So if I click this app, this button, I need, it says like, see, to save it on my device, I have to log in to Feedly. So if I scroll up, you can see all I did was scroll up, and now it shows me everything. An existing user, I already have logged in using my Facebook account, so I'll just log in using Facebook because I'm already using Feedly via Facebook. And now I'm logged in. If you can see here, I am logged in, and this was the last search content that I did. It saved it for me, and there it is. So I can go for today for my top stories. So what will happen is, um, when you log in via Facebook or Gmail for the first time, it will give you options uh, to follow different feeds that you want. So you can add content to your Feedly mobile. So you can add content either by following a particular website that I can do using the search bar. I can just write g.com or whatever website I want. I can just follow that website. So I want to follow, let's say, my mnsu.edu website. That's my university's website, by the way. If I want to follow that, all I'll do is I'll select it, and the plus sign near it, if I press the plus sign, it'll ask me to categorize it. So this is my collection. I have a YouTube collection and a tech collection, and now it is asking me for a college collection because it already know that Minnesota State University is a college, and it all. So I'm gonna select college because that's my college collection. And success, Minnesota State University news added to your Feedly. Got it. So here I can see all the news related to my university. I can refresh it by just scrolling up, just like I did. All I have to do is move my thumb down and it'll refresh the page for me. So this is how you follow anything you want. And the one cool thing that I loved about Feedly was when I first logged in using my Facebook account, it knew some content that I would like because I was using a lot of tech thing on my Facebook, and all the pages that I've liked, it suggested me a few technical stuff, and something the suggestion was really good because this is what I really wanted. So if I press again to the option and see it'll show me all my collections. So in the all section I can see all have my college, tech, and YouTube. College is the one that I just added. There are 10 new posts that I have not read till now. Tech is I just followed a tech blog called Life Hacker, and there are 415 posts from that blog that I have not read, and a YouTube channel called Vsauce that have 4 new videos that I have not seen yet. So this is a good way to keep track of what you like and what you don't. Usually by default you're never on you're never on the all thing. The home page will show you some cool new blogs and feeds that you would probably like. So we'll go through all the content and all the options that I get in Feedly, and if you can just see the interface is like a magazine, like you are scrolling a magazine. If you can see that's the whole idea, that you don't have to go through all the magazines and It's a one place where you can do all the reading. So let's talk about all the gestures that are present in Feedly. So I'll start off by selecting let's talk about all the other extra features that you saw in different panel, like navigational panel or explorer panel. And let's talk about all the features and all the things that you can do when you use Feedly app. So if we go to explore panel, we can do that by doing a left swipe, and see, it gives you different sections for collections. So if I touch tech, now it'll suggest me top feeds, and I can just touch the plus sign on the right to follow that particular collection. So let's say I wanna follow Mashable. I'll just click the plus, and now it'll ask me in which folder do you want to do that, and I want to do it in a new folder called Mashable, or my favorite. That's my favorite. Created a new folder, and now Mashable is added on the new folder. If you can see, all my fave Mashable. So let's go back to Explorer panel, and let me cross it out by pressing the cross button on the right upper corner, and we are back here. So it also gives you curators by community, and you can select connect. If you see, it's ENDEFRITES. So these are like the English and French. So let's go to navigational panel, and let's talk about all the features. We can go to navigational panel either by swiping or by clicking on the icon on the upper left corner of the screen. So this is my navigational panel. You can see that it shows you that I've logged in via Facebook. So the first icon option today will show me all the posts that came up today from all my collection. So you can see the name of the collection is College, and February 6, Red Cross Blood Drive. That was a post that was posted on my website, my college website, that I followed just now, and this is among my college collection, and now this is the tech collection, and as you can see, all of this is today's content. And so let's go back to navigational panel, and the other option is saved for later. So there is no article. Remember, I'll show you how things works now. So remember, when I was teaching you about all the gestures, I told you if you long press an article, it saves in your device, and save for later is where it gets saved. So you can go to save for later and read it. So what I do is, when let's say I just have 5 minutes, I'll scroll through all the feed, and whatever feeds I like, I might want to give them a read later via my desktop. So I can just use my phone to scroll through and see what's important for me, and then save it for later and read it on my desktop when I'm free and when I want. Explore gives you all the sections and lets you explore everything. So Explore is just the same as this Explore. It's just more defined, and you can see all the cool articles. We've already gone through all. The next option is Feedly Academy. Feedly Academy is all the new things that Feedly, all the new information regarding Feedly. It's, unless you are interested to know more about Feedly, you don't want to go to this option. So other is recently read. So all the articles that I recently read are in this section, edit content. So these are the three things in my collection. If I want to edit them, I'll go to this edit content section and I can remove them. If you can see in the top, we have remove and cancel option. I don't want to remove anything, I'll just cancel this because I don't. So let's just, for the sake of testing, let's remove Minnesota State University's collection. So I can just select on the blank, I'll just click here and then press remove, and now you can see in the all, I don't have Minnesota State University's website in my collection, and it's not here too. So if I go today's, remember when we pressed today, the first article that came up was from Minnesota State University. Now it's gone. So Feedly app provides you two themes. One is day and the other one is night, I guess. So if you press it, it'll switch the theme to the dark mode. See, all the colors are different now in this application. I usually prefer the light one because it's more bright and cheerful. So connection is, if you have connected it via Evernote or OneNote, this is where you have to go to do that. So if I go to settings, it gives me some cool settings. This one of the cool one is auto mark as read. When I'm swiping through my articles in the read mode, they don't get auto read. The only article that get read is the article that I opened, but usually one would wanna mark an article read if I'm swiping through them. So I usually turn it on. It was off, sadly. And double tap to close. That's a good feature. If you click it on while in the reading mode, if I double tap an article, the reading mode would get closed. So this is a cool feature too. And you can manage the font and size accordingly, and it gives you 3 font family and 4 options for the size. So if I do extra large, which is super large, and let's go back and see the content on how big everything gets. See, now everything is extra large. If you're reading article and on the small screen phone, you might want to have some large font, which comes handy. So we are done through all the features and all the options that we get in the navigation panel, which I think are important and relevant for us to know. These 4 things on the top are the 4 views. So this is the title view, in which you can just see the title. See, there is no image, and it's kind of boring, to be honest, but well, people have their preferences. I like the list view because it shows you an image, and it's readable and a lot of content is there. The other is magazine view. So this is like literally a magazine view, how magazines are. So I'm not really a fan of magazine view, to be honest. And the other is our cards view. So everything will come up as a card. You can see there is one feed on one page. This is how the default view is on another application called Flipboard. Sorry, I'm a Feedly person, not a Flipboard person. Sorry. Okay, so the other option is refresh. You can either do refresh like this, or by scrolling up, that I taught you when I was telling you about gestures. Remember in the starting of the video I told you about must read function. So I can select any collection as must read. So if I promote this as must read, now this channel will get priority over any other channel that I have subscribed or followed. And I can sort them by all the story first, or show all stories, or I can select an open web page directly. If I select this, when I click on a story, the story opens up in my web browser. So you can see if I swipe right or left, nothing happens because this is my browser. So I usually not prefer. So if you want to undo it, just go back and press it again, and now when you open the story, it opens in Feedly, and which is nice and convenient and cool. These are the features, and there are more options available. So if you are on a story and you want to share it, so you can just share it using Facebook. You can save it on your device. So this is how you can like create a knowledge board, and you can save it on device, and then you can access it even when you don't have internet connection. You can bookmark it if you want, and for more options, so you can send or share your story via these different features. So when you share your story via Twitter, Feedly automatically adds some hashtags to it and give it in a readable format. You can open it in browser, you can share it via Messenger and all the other sharing applications that I have on my phone. This was all the functions and the features of Feedly, I guess. You might wanna check it out and play with it and get to learn more about it. And this is how it is. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was everything that I thought you should know about Feedly application, and thank you so much.